President JP Nadda leveled a sensational allegation against the Congress party. Addressing an event marking 2 years of the BJP government in Chhattisgarh, Nadda claimed that some insiders in the Congress party were involved in the facilitating of the 2013 Jiram Ghati Naxal attack, in which almost the state's entire Congress leadership was wiped out. Nadda alleged that people within the Congress were in touch with the Naxals and wanted their own leaders killed. Remember, on the 25th of May 2013, Maoists had ambushed a convoy of Congress leaders during the party's Parivartan rally, and the attack happened ahead of the assembly elections in the Jiram Valley of Chhattisgarh's Bastar district. 32 people, including then State Congress President Nand Kumar Patel, the former leader of opposition Mahendra Kumar Karma, as well as former Union Minister, were all killed in this attack. Listen in to JP Nadda's big charge against the Congress party with regard to this attack.
मैंने जीरम घाटी की घटना देखी है। आज मैं बड़े जिम्मेवारी के साथ कहना चाहता हूं, जीरम घाटी की घटना की जानकारी और अंदर की खबर कोई और नहीं दे रहा था। उनके बीच के लोग ही अपने लोगों को मरवाने के लिए लगे हुए थे और नक्सलवाद से संपर्क कर रहे थे।
My colleague Kritika joins us on the broadcast with the details. And Kritika, this is a big charge that has been made by JP Nadda, sparking some controversy with the Congress party, now alleging that this is unacceptable, also seeking evidence for the same. What are the details of what he said? Has there been any clarification from the BJP on this?
Well, clearly these are very big allegations that the BJP National President, Mr. JP Nadda, is making against the Congress party, to say that the Jiram Valley attack, in which over 30 people, including senior leaders of the Congress party, were killed, was in fact orchestrated by people, insiders from the Congress party itself. This is a big charge. We're seeing also how Bhupesh Baghel, the former Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh, also has hit out against Mr. Nadda. He said that in fact an NIA investigation should take place and NIA should demand evidence of the same from JP Nadda. He's also said that this is only because BJP wants to hide their own failures, and that is why they are using the Jiram Valley attack for political gains. Of course, these are very big allegations that have been leveled by BJP National President JP Nadda as well, to say that in fact the entire attack was orchestrated between a collusion of Maoists as well as those of the Congress party itself, who wanted their own leaders to be killed. We are also seeing Congress reacting to this. They're calling out how all of these statements are only being made for political gains, and that there should be more evidence provided, and that the National Investigative Agency should only step into the matter. Over to you, Pratibha.
Okay, all right. Stay with us, Kritika, because the Congress party has rejected JP Nadda's charge completely and has accused him of insulting the martyrdom of those who lost their lives in the incident. The former Chhattisgarh Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel, in a post on social media platform X, said that security agencies, including the NIA, should interrogate JP Nadda, demanding evidence for his claims. The state Congress chief has also hit out at JP Nadda, saying the statement made by him is to hide the failures of the BJP government. He accused the BJP of orchestrating the entire incident for political gains.
जेपी नड्डा का बयान है, मैं समझता हूं कि ये राजनीतिक बयान है। और सबसे पहले तो जेपी नड्डा को जो जिरम घटना में शहीद हुए उन परिवारों से इस बयान के लिए माफी मांगना चाहिए। रही बात जेपी नड्डा जी को, मैं याद दिलाना चाहता हूं कि उस समय छत्तीसगढ़ में 15 साल की भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार थी। जब जिरम घाटी में घटना हुआ, उससे पहले नक्सलियों ने चिट्ठी भी जारी किया था कि हम परिवर्तन यात्रा के खिलाफ में। तो सबसे बड़ा सवाल है, सुरक्षा क्यों नहीं दिया गया? आज भी शहीद परिवार और पूरे देश आज भी जानना चाहता है। कुल मिलाकर कि ये झीरम घटना भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार की नाकामियों को छुपाने के लिए और भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार पूरी तरह से मतलब फेल हो चुकी थी और ये सत्ता हासिल करने के लिए ये झीरम घाटी का घटना जानबूझ के कराया हुआ घटना है और वो बिना सत्ता के संभव नहीं है और वो इस सरकार ने टारगेट किलिंग कर सुपारी किलिंग सरकार ने कराया है, इसलिए आज तक वो सच्चाई।
So after this charge by the Congress, the BJP has also hit back at the Congress party. Listen in.
कांग्रेस का हाथ हमेशा नक्सलियों के साथ। इसके लिए कोई प्रमाण की आवश्यकता है? प्रत्यक्षम किम प्रमाणम, जो दिखता है उसके लिए प्रमाण की क्या आवश्यकता? भाई कांग्रेस का सॉफ्ट कॉर्नर था नक्सलिज्म के लिए, इसलिए तो नक्सलिज्म कांग्रेस के जमाने में फला फूला फैला